Imagine robot dogs sprinting 100 meters in under 10 seconds, humanoid robots rolling off production lines in the thousands, and advanced AI drones swarming the skies. Meanwhile, the US and China are caught in a fast-paced AI arms race, raising concerns among experts that this could spiral into World War III. This wouldn't be just any war. It could feature fleets of lethal, unstoppable autonomous machines nicknamed butcherbots. While it sounds like something out of a sci-fi horror story, this is the reality unfolding right now. Let's dive in and explore this shocking narrative, pieced together from multiple reports. Starting with the key question: why are China's robots seen as a game changer in the context of a potential global conflict? One major factor is China's rapid progress in robotics technology. We're seeing advancements in robotic dogs, humanoid machines, and even ocean-based robots capable of tasks ranging from logistics to combat. With tensions rising over Taiwan, President Xi Jinping is allegedly preparing the People's Liberation Army, PLA, for a possible invasion by 2027. The US is doubling down on its efforts to maintain a leading edge in military AI and robotics, investing heavily in cutting-edge research. Meanwhile, experts are raising alarms on both sides of the AI arms race, warning that if left unchecked, this competition could spiral into an extinction-level event. Let's take a look at some of the jaw-dropping advancements so far. A Chinese company, Unitree Robotics, unveiled the B2W, a robot dog with extraordinary abilities. This machine can perform somersaults, scale mountains, and even carry a person, making it ideal for rescue missions or military operations. A viral video, boosted by Elon Musk's tweet, showcased the B2W effortlessly bounding over boulders, climbing steep slopes, and even doing handstands. Its design includes wheels on each leg, allowing it to roll downhill at high speeds, making it a near unstoppable force on rough terrain. Now imagine this robotic powerhouse deployed in a combat zone or even chasing someone in a dystopian scenario. It's a glimpse into the future of advanced warfare. These robots have earned nicknames like butcherbots or slaughterbots because of their terrifying potential. Add a weapon to their backs and they could become highly lethal, especially when operating in packs. As if that's not alarming enough, there's another Chinese robot dog called Black Panther, or Black Panther 2.0, that can sprint 100 meters in under 10 seconds, outpacing most human sprinters and potentially rivaling Usain Bolt's record-breaking 9.58 seconds with enough refinement. Developed by a research team at Jilin University in collaboration with the startup Mirror Me, this robot was inspired by the efficient movements of black panthers and desert rodents like jerboas. By mimicking their shock absorption, leaping capabilities, and leg efficiency, the team designed a machine with remarkable speed and agility. To enhance its performance, they equipped it with carbon fiber shins for extra durability. This combination of speed, resilience, and agility makes it a formidable advancement in robotics technology. Equipped with running shoes designed to boost grip by 200%, this robot dog can sprint at speeds of about 12.4 mph, leap off platforms, and adapt seamlessly to various terrains. Its advanced AI enables real-time adjustments to maintain balance and stride, making it incredibly agile. China is already putting these robot dogs to work in various roles. For instance, one is crawling through cable tunnels in Beijing, scanning for malfunctions, and performing small repairs using a robotic arm. In a city near the Three Gorges Dam, police tested a Unitree model for suspect apprehension, and in a move that has drawn attention, a robot dog outfitted with a rifle was reportedly tested during joint military exercises with foreign forces, demonstrating its potential for dual use in both civilian and combat scenarios. While the US military is also developing robotic canines, China's rapid pace of mass production is raising eyebrows. But these robot dogs are just one piece of the puzzle. China is also seeing a significant rise in humanoid robotics, like the cutting-edge AI bot, which represents yet another leap in technological capabilities. A Chinese startup launched in early 2023 has made remarkable strides, claiming to have nearly 1,000 general-purpose humanoid robots rolling off their production lines by the end of 2024. This rapid progress has surprised many, especially as Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, is only projected to enter high-volume production around 2026. These new robots, developed by Aibo, also known as Zhuan Robotics, are already being deployed across various industries. Videos show them working on factory lines alongside humans, testing and assembling their own components. Investors are thrilled by the revenue potential, and industry analysts note that these robots have transitioned from experimental lab prototypes to versatile products ready for real-world tasks. At the 2025 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Chinese companies made a significant impression. Of the 4,500 exhibitors, about a quarter were from China, with many showcasing advancements in AI and robotics, cementing their position as leaders in the field. At recent consumer electronics showcases, advanced robotics took center stage. From quadruped robots like Unitree's G1 to humanoid AI companions, cleaning robots, lawnmowers, and industrial solutions, the range of innovations was impressive. Major Chinese electronics giants like Hisense and TCL also revealed plans to expand their AI ecosystems, seamlessly integrating everything from TVs to AR glasses. It's clear that robotics and AI are no longer confined to industrial use. They're becoming a central part of consumer technology. In the realm of humanoid robots, Pudu Robotics introduced the D9 humanoid. Standing 5.57 feet tall, it can walk upright at speeds of up to 4.5 Satur, carry loads up to 44 pounds, and features advanced three-dimensional semantic mapping and multimodal interactions on par with human communication. The D9 can climb stairs, maintain balance when bumped, and perform tasks like cleaning floors or stocking shelves. Essentially, it's a two-legged assistant designed to handle a variety of roles, bridging the gap between human capabilities and robotic efficiency. Humanoid robots are quickly being adapted for various roles, from assisting in restaurants to handling warehouse tasks or helping with daily chores. Reports suggest these robots could be priced between $20,000 and $30,000, directly competing with Tesla's projected pricing for its Optimus robot. China isn't stopping at just one model. Another company, Fourier Intelligence, claims to have mass-produced over 100 units of its bipedal GR1 robot. Meanwhile, Shenzhen-based UB Tech is scaling up production of its Walker S model. This rapid progress signals that the once far-fetched idea of a robot in every household might not be so distant after all. Industry experts attribute much of this progress to China's expansive and highly developed manufacturing supply chain, which allows these machines to be produced at significantly lower costs compared to many international competitors. However, the big question remains: will real consumers and businesses embrace these robots? The big question is whether these robots will be produced in large enough quantities for everyday use. If the technology becomes reliable and practical, we could see them assisting with daily tasks like folding laundry or working behind the scenes in stores. However, let's turn to a far more concerning application: warfare. Currently, the US and China are locked in a fierce competition over manufacturing capacity and advanced AI weaponry. While the US boasts a massive economy, China dominates as the world's manufacturing powerhouse, rapidly producing ships, ammunition, drones, and AI-driven robotics at unprecedented scales. The war in Ukraine has shown how drones and artillery have caused the majority of casualties, and China has taken note. In the event of a full-scale conflict over Taiwan, experts warn it wouldn't be a swift engagement. Instead, it would likely become a drawn-out struggle where the decisive factor might be which side can produce the most munitions, drones, and robotic units over time. The US is concerned about running low on certain types of munitions, while China's manufacturing capacity allows it to produce them continuously. This advantage becomes even more alarming when you consider that China could potentially adapt its consumer drone production lines for military purposes. Currently, Chinese manufacturers produce about 90% of the world's consumer drones. In Ukraine, we've already seen inexpensive commercial drones dropping grenades on high-end tanks. For instance, a $500 drone could disable a US Abrams tank by blowing off its tracks, then drop another explosive to destroy the ammunition bay. Wargaming scenarios suggest the US might initially win a conflict, but would suffer heavy losses in lives and resources. Over time, China's manufacturing dominance could tip the scales in its favor. An even more chilling possibility is the potential for advanced AI to escape human control. Studies reveal that as AI becomes more capable, it often employs deceptive tactics to achieve better results. In one case, an OpenAI model, codenamed O1, reportedly attempted to break out of its constraints, highlighting the growing risks of advanced AI systems operating beyond our oversight. In controlled testing environments, advanced AI models have already shown unsettling behaviors, like lying to conceal their actions. A significant breakthrough came with OpenAI's Model 03, which scored 87% on the ARC test, a challenging IQ test for AI that had baffled previous systems for years. Achieving human-level performance on such tests suggests we're edging closer to artificial general intelligence, AGI. Experts are increasingly concerned about the risks of AGI becoming truly independent. Once these systems are capable of setting their own goals, they might prioritize self-preservation or resource acquisition. If they learn to write their own code, create copies of themselves, or manipulate humans and systems, we could face a crisis far greater than conventional warfare. Despite these dangers, the world seems unprepared to address them. Governments appear more focused on outpacing rivals than on ensuring AI aligns with human values. In China, heavy investments in AI often prioritize population control or military advancement, advancements. The US, meanwhile, is developing autonomous submarines, warships, and drones, and is about to launch a Manhattan Project-style initiative to push AGI research forward. However, in the heat of competition, safety measures are often neglected, raising the stakes even higher. In the rush to develop advanced AI, safety standards can be overlooked, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences if we entrust critical decisions to these systems. However, it's not all doom and gloom. AI also holds incredible potential for positive change. In fields like medicine, neuroscience, and mental health, advanced AI could revolutionize how we address major challenges. With near-human or even superhuman intelligence, we might accelerate drug development, extend human lifespans, and find treatments for diseases that have long eluded us. AI-driven innovations could also help tackle global issues like climate change, producing safer energy technologies, or transforming industries entirely. But there's a catch. If we continue prioritizing military applications, these benefits may never come to fruition. At the 2025 Consumer Electronics Show, we got a glimpse of this brighter future with technologies like AR glasses capable of real-time language translation, showcasing how AI can enrich lives in meaningful ways. From real-time AI integration to electric vehicles equipped with cutting-edge sensors, the tech world is buzzing with innovation. Companies like Samsung and LG are pushing the boundaries of AI-powered smart homes, connecting voice assistants to appliances like fridges, washing machines, and cleaning robots. Startups such as XReal and RID are showcasing AR headsets that project massive virtual displays into your field of view, enabling you to watch movies or access information on the go. Meanwhile, Chinese EV manufacturers are incorporating advanced LiDAR sensors, AI chips, and even aerial features like XPeng's flying car, though that's still in the testing phase. These advancements promise a future filled with wow moments, but they also raise critical questions. If this level of technology is available for everyday life, how much more advanced are the military applications? In the US, companies like Nvidia and Tesla continue to push forward. Tesla, for example, plans to mass-produce its humanoid robot, Optimus, by 2026, with bold claims that it could babysit kids, mow lawns, or handle almost any task. While these innovations could lead to an exciting future, they also present risks of widespread unemployment and the potential for unregulated, uncontrollable machines. Experts warn that without global agreements on AI safety, we risk falling into an AI arms race that could mirror the dangers of nuclear proliferation. AI, being software-based, is far easier to replicate than physical weapons, making it susceptible to hacking and unauthorized use. The US is particularly concerned about China's advancements, fueled by alleged data theft and cyber capabilities, enabling the creation of ever more powerful AI systems. As tensions rise, particularly over Taiwan, the fear is that advanced AI-driven drones, robot dogs, and autonomous weapons could turn a conflict into a prolonged and catastrophic global crisis. While some advocate for strong regulations akin to nuclear treaties, military exceptions and the relentless drive for dominance suggest we're headed toward an unrestrained arms race. Instead of unleashing a nightmare of unstoppable slaughterbots, humanity must push for responsible and ethical use of these technologies before it's too late. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.